already taking notes in class, you're already studying for exams, but what if that same work you're doing today could actually make you a lot of money? You see, selling school notes is one of those side hustles that sounds almost too simple, but students are genuinely doing this, and some are making $50 to $100 a week to a month just from the notes that we're going to take anyway. And when it's exam season, that amount can actually double. And the best part is you don't need any startup money, you don't need any special equipment. You just need to be decent at taking notes and know where to sell them. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works, what makes notes actually worth buying, where to sell them, and how to turn this into consistent extra income. Hey, I'm Sen, I'm from Side Hustle Mastery, and here's a quick reality check on who this is for. This works best if you're a strong student who takes organized, clear notes. If your notes are messy scribbles that only make sense to you, this probably isn't the side hustle to go with, and you should check out our other videos. But if people are already asking you to borrow your notes, then that's a sign you're sitting on something valuable. One thing to check first are your school's policies, because some schools and universities have rules against selling notes. But honestly, most don't care. But double check to make sure. Anyway, with that covered, let me show you exactly how this actually works. First, there's a reason most people who try selling notes make almost nothing, while other students make hundreds of dollars every month. It comes down to what subjects you're taking notes for. This is because not all notes are created equal. A set of notes for an easy elective nobody cares about, it's basically worthless. But notes for the right classes, people will pay real money for them. So here are the type of subjects that sell. First, notes for hard required classics. Think about calculus, organic chemistry, physics, accounting. Classes where lots of students struggle and desperately want any edge they can get. Now second, think about notes for standardized test prep. Think SAT, ACT, AP exams, or IB exams. These are high-stake tests where students are willing to spend money on extra study material. And third, honestly, this is a goldmine. Most people don't even realize this. Notes for accelerated or honors classes, and here's why. If you're a junior in AP chemistry, there are tons of sophomores who will take that class next year. They want to get ahead. They want to see what they're in for. So your notes actually give them that advantage, and they're willing to pay for that. The pattern here is simple. Notes sell when there's anxiety attached to the class. If students are stressed about passing and getting a good grade, they'll pay for help. For example, if you had English literature notes on a random novel, it probably won't have a lot of demand. However, if you have detailed notes breaking down every single concept in AP statistics, that's real money you can make. So now you know what to focus on, but here's where most people mess up. They try to sell notes that look like garbage. So let me show you how to make notes people actually want to buy. Your notes need to look professional, like not textbook professional, but clean, organized, and even aesthetic enough that someone can actually learn from them and have a good visual experience. If you take handwritten notes, you'll need to digitize them. So use a scanning app on your phone. Most of them are free. All you want to do is scan your pages so they're clear and readable. Now, here's a tip that makes a big difference. Use a tool like Canva to clean up your notes before selling. You can create a simple template, maybe a cover page that looks legit, and it takes maybe like 15 minutes and instantly makes a note look more valuable than some random document. I've linked Canva down below. And now here's a move that can actually seriously set you apart. What you want to do is take your best notes and turn them into short explainer videos that you can post onto YouTube, like a quick exam review clips or anything quickly going through your notes. To edit the video, you can use a tool like Descript to do this. All you do is record yourself talking through key concepts, dropping your notes as visuals, and you've got a steady video you can share with buyers as a bonus or post on social media to attract new customers. Descript are actually running a 50% off discount with the annual plan, so I'll drop the link down below. Now, one important thing, add a small watermark to your notes in any videos that you create. Also, make sure to organize your notes logically. Make it easy for buyers to find what they need. Okay, so now your notes look good, but where do you actually sell them? In fact, there are more options than you probably realize. I'm gonna start with the simplest option, selling directly to classmates. This is the fastest way to make money because there's no middleman. You know exactly who needs what. For example, that kid who's struggling with chemistry, they're your customer. For delivery, what you want to do is upload your notes to Google Drive with the privacy set to restricted. When someone pays you, get their email and share the document with them. But if you want something cleaner, check out Notion. Now, instead of sending individual files back and forth, you can actually set up one page with all your notes organized by subject. In fact, buyers get access to a clean, easy to browse library instead of random file links. And the nice thing is that you can actually edit it any time. You can fix a typo, add new notes, and buyers see the updates instantly. But now a quick tip to protect your work. You don't want someone duplicating your whole page and sharing it for free. So what you want to do in Notion is go to publish settings, then site customization, then you can toggle off duplicate as template, and then you can hit publish and you're fully done. Now, people can view everything, but they can't copy everything. In fact, this same Notion page can actually double as a simple landing page for your entire notes library. So it keeps everything in one place without needing to have a special website. You can save 20% of Notion with the annual plan, which I've linked down below. Okay, so price-wise, most students charge anywhere from $5 to $20 per set, depending on how comprehensive the notes are and how hard the class actually is. For marketing, word of mouth is huge. Tell people you have notes available. If you're good, your reputation spreads really fast. Okay, now for online platforms of where to sell your notes. There are websites specifically built for selling student notes. Stuvia is one of the biggest. You upload your notes, set a price, and they handle the marketplace. Doc Merit is another option with a similar model. Studypool works a bit differently though. It's more about answering questions and providing tutoring. The advantage of these platforms is scale. You're not limited to 30 kids in your class. Your AP biology notes could sell to students across the country taking the same curriculum. That's thousands of teenagers around the world. So now you're selling notes at your school, maybe on a platform too, but here's an advanced move that can triple your price per sale. Now, this is some advanced tips, right? Most people won't do this and that's fine. But if you've got notes that are selling well digitally, here's how to charge more. Some students prefer physical study guides that they can highlight and flip through. And physical products feel more valuable. So you can charge $25 to $30 instead of just $10. A service like Printify lets you turn your notes into actual printed booklets. You upload your content formatted for printing and they handle everything as well as the shipping when someone orders. You never actually touch any physical inventory. However, if you've got a set of notes that keeps selling, like AP chemistry notes for example, that students buy year after year, turning these into a physical product can actually be worth it. For most people though, stick with digital first. Prove there's demand before you go physical. This all sounds good in theory, but how much can you actually expect to make? Let me give you the real numbers. If you're just selling to classmates at your school, you're looking at maybe $50 to $100 per month during the school year, but more during exam seasons when demand spikes. It's decent pocket money, but you're limited by the size of your class and your school. However, if you get on platforms like Stuvia and your notes are actually good, you can make way more. But honestly, here's the realistic path. Start with just one class, your best subject, the one where your notes are genuinely helpful, and then sell to classmates first. See if there's demand. If it works, then you want to expand to more subjects and online platforms. Don't expect this to replace a part-time job income right away. This is a side hustle that compounds over time as you build up more notes and more reputation. However, you need to understand a few things, right? First, check your school's academic policies. Most schools don't have rules against selling notes, but some do, universities especially. So a quick check will save you from any future problems. Never sell notes that include actual test questions or exam answers. That's academic dishonesty and it's not worth the risk. Your notes should be your own understanding of the material, not stolen test content. And watch out for copyright too. If your notes aren't in your own words, that's totally fine to sell. But if you're basically copying paragraph from the textbook, that's a big problem. And don't oversell what your notes can do. You can't necessarily say that these notes will get you an A or will get you into Harvard. That's a promise you can't always keep. So start with one class, your best subject, clean up your notes, sell to a few classmates and see if there's demand. If it works, expand from there. If you use any links in the description, we get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It helps us keep making free videos like this, so thanks a lot in advance. And if this is helpful, hit that like button for more genuine side hustle breakdowns, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out this video.